Hi, I'm Rosie. I'm a dramatherapist and an environmental art therapist. And for this episode of the Body Concierge, part of the Body Hotel, I want to talk to you a little bit about proprioception. And I want to share ideas on how to grow our body awareness in playful ways when we're out in nature.
Proprioception, or kinesthesia, is the awareness of the position and movement of the body. How conscious and connected we are with our bodies has a direct impact on our mental health and confidence. As a dyspraxic person, body awareness isn't actually something that comes naturally to me. There are ways to grow body awareness through mindfulness practice and physical exercise. But I want to share some playful activities you can do when you're out walking, on your own, or with your family and friends. So, number one is exploring through the senses. Can you get to know your environment through your senses? What are the different smells, or the different sounds, or the different textures that are around? A game to play is finding as many sensorial items as possible. Number two is there a path that's more challenging to take? Is there a path that makes you climb over things or under things or move your body in a different way? So a game to play is nature's obstacle course. Is there an obstacle course that the whole family could complete? Number three is exploring through the body. Are there areas that you could explore with different body parts? What about going for a walk barefoot on different surfaces? A game to play is kind of like an exaggerated twister. So you could match different body parts with different parts of the environment. The greater our body awareness, the more understanding we can have on what impacts our nervous system. An additional benefit to being in natural spaces is the positive effect they have on our nervous system. We relax when we're listening to natural sounds and smelling natural smells. And for those of us who might struggle with accepting our bodies or being kind to our bodies, the more time we spend in nature with the variety of shapes and sizes and differences, we can begin to accept our own incredible bodies as totally natural.